In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure your primary email address in Zoho Invoice. Configuring your primary email is essential for ensuring that all your communications are sent and received through the correct channel, keeping your invoicing process seamless and professional. To get started, you'll need to log into your Zoho Invoice account. This is your home base for managing all your invoicing needs, so once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you haven't already. It's a good idea to know the layout and features available at your fingertips, as this will make future modifications easier. Now let's move on to the task at hand. Head to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can fine-tune various aspects of your account. For today, we'll be focusing on email configurations. You'll want to select Email Notifications and then dive into Sender Email Preferences. On the Sender Email Preferences page, look for the option to add a new sender. You'll see a button marked New Sender, which you should click. This is where you'll input your new email details. Make sure to fill in the name and email address accurately. This step is crucial as it ensures that there are no communication issues down the line. After entering the details, don't forget to hit Save. Now Zoho will send a verification email to the address you just entered. It's important to complete this verification step promptly. Head over to your email inbox and look for the email from Zoho. Follow the instructions provided to confirm your ownership and activate the email within the Zoho system. This step is necessary to ensure that the email address you wish to use is valid and reachable. Once you've successfully verified your new email address, return to the settings. Go back to the Email Notifications section and then to Sender Email Preferences. You'll now see the new email listed among your options. It's almost time to make this email your primary contact. All you have to do is hover over the new email and select the option to Mark as Primary Contact. This action sets your chosen email as the main address for sending and receiving all invoice-related communications. And there you have it. Your new primary email address is now configured within Zoho Invoice. This ensures that all your transactions and communications are streamlined and consistent, making your invoicing tasks much more efficient. Thanks so much for watching, and happy invoicing!